everybody, and this video is how to make your character spin in PictoBlox. So this video gonna be quite a short video, so let's get started. So first let's delete Toby, which is the normal sprite, by clicking this icon, like the dustbin icon or bin. So click choosing sprite. Let me choose sprite. And you can search in here anything that you want to make it spin. But maybe let's just search like robot, because I want robot to be spin. Okay, so there are two kind of robot. What is this? It's like retro robot. I don't know. You can do any robot that you like, but I'll do this robot because it's a cute robot. I like it. So put in here. You can scrap it anywhere that you like. So time for backdrop, and you can choose any backdrop that you like. Maybe let's just choose from space, and I will choose stars. You can choose any backdrop that you like and press OK if you're sure. I think we don't need to press OK. I don't know. Okay, anyways. So first go to events and get when this sprite clicked, and how it means is when this sprite clicked, something will be happening. Make sure it's the robot. So go to control, because if it's not robot, it will be not working. Make sure it's not backdrop. And get repeat 10, and we're not going to be changing anything because 10 times I think is enough. So go to motion and get turn 15 degrees, and make sure it's like this sign, because if it's like this, it means like return. So it means like it will not turn. So it's not a good one. So how this sprite mean is when this sprite click, it will be repeat 10 times by turning 15 degrees. So we need to make it point in direction IT. So we need to make another scrap, but make sure you stay in the robot. Not the robot, the sprite that you choose. So go to events and get one green flag click this time, not this sprite click, sorry. So go to motion and get point in direction IT. So I think the scraps are ready. So let's make the screen more bigger so you guys can see. So we need to click this sprite to start the game. Not the game, I mean the animation. So click it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's turning 15 degrees, but repeating 10 times. Look at that. And if I click it, like, it stopped if I didn't click it. But if you click it, like, if you didn't put repeat 10 times, it was just really slow. But I put repeat 10 times, so it's really cool, right? It's really cool. But when this green flag click, it's normal back. So this is how this video, animation work. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, big thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bells, so make sure you not miss any of my videos. Bye!